Well, today, Oregon State University announced it will require COVID-19 vaccinations for students and employees this fall. It becomes the first major public university in the state to do so, and it's a change of tune from what we had heard from the university just a few weeks ago. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel joins us now live with the very latest on this. Audrey?
Wayne, the requirement is for anyone who learns or works on site at any of OSU's locations, and the idea is to have as much protection from COVID-19 as possible for in-person learning.
We've heard it from other colleges in our area, but now Oregon State University is the state's first major public university to require COVID-19 vaccinations for fall term.
And we think by access, by education, and by exemptions that are allowed, we can actually plan to have a vaccination requirement and make it work well.
VP for University Relations Steve Clark says they will allow for things like medical and religious exemptions, and that really they'll be working through fall term to implement the requirement, with any stipulations likely coming in the winter. The Corvallis campus also has upwards of 3,000 international students that the university will be working with. This announcement is a change from what we've heard from them previously.
So you and I spoke about 2 weeks ago, and at that point, the plan was not to require vaccinations for employees or students. So what changed in that time frame?
We, internally thought, well, at some point the federal government would license the vaccinations that are out there, and that would enable the opportunity to do that. What we really also saw was that the obligation to actually come together as a community and contribute to wellness and contribute to this effort.
The university also cited reviews of state and federal policies, advice from public health experts, and guidance from organizations like the American College Health Association, which is recommending COVID vaccine requirements, saying it's the best way for colleges to return to a safe, robust, on-campus experience.
This is all happening in real time across the nation, and certainly at Oregon State. So that kind of exhaustive, round-the-clock work each day will continue.
Anyone enrolled exclusively in online classes will not have to get the vaccine, but is still encouraged to.
And you might remember OSU is still operating vaccination clinics at Research Stadium, so that's available for students too. Since January, more than 50,000 people have gotten their vaccine at OSU. Reporting live in Northwest Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.